Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Today we're going to make a soup that's very budget friendly. Doesn't cost much to make because nowadays everyone's on a budget. Today we're going to use chicken ramen noodles and we're going to use 2 cans of Margaret Holmes corn, okra, and tomatoes. For my show I'm going to use 1 pack of ramen noodles, and as you can see I bunched them on up. And you're going to use the seasoning packet, the chicken flavor. Okay, once you add the tomatoes and the corn okra of Margaret Holmes, you're going to fill that can up with water into the pot. Okay everyone, as you can see I've got 1 can of Margaret Holmes okra, corn, tomato, and then 1 pack of chicken ramen noodles that I've used. I just used this for me, but you can adjust this to, your family size. Now, I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button and also the bell for the notifications for every time that I come on. Again, thank you for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.